We have strong ownership on the IT side where we really set that technology roadmap, make sure that it aligns from an overall scalability, supportability perspective, making sure that we keep that application, the roadmap fresh and supporting our folks and what they need. And part of that is we've got a really strong architect in our governance model, really good, strong product ownership. And then the last piece of that governance, I would say, is the utilization of strategic partners. So our organizational model here at LCG and IT is a hybrid model. So what that means is we have a smaller but really strong team of IT folks that work for us, and they fill roles like architects and project managers and product owners. And then we leverage strategic partners like Cask, who help us on the development side, or who help us on the configuration side, or help us with that deep expertise. And how do you take something like ServiceNow and implement those best practices aligned to what you're trying to do?